right, what's up? What's going on, everyone? Hope everyone had a great weekend. Back on the desk for a fresh week. Let's see what's moving today. All right, Skull, good morning. Northsale, good morning. Peter, good morning. Cristobal, good morning. This market is smoking. Market is smoking. Yeah, let's see what we got. Don Juan, what's up? Good morning. All right, so our leading gapper here looks like EVOK. So EVOK, let's take a look. This one makes a move here, about from $5 up to $17.39. $5 up to $17.39, so not bad. I mean that's great. That's great. $5 up to $17.39. It's pretty dang good. That's within about 15 minutes. So since then, kind of like stuck in a consolidation. But can we curl back up, make at least retest the highs? It's possible. What's the float on this? It's got to be pretty low. It's got to be looks like 740,000. So micro float under 1,740,000. With do we have news on it? Let's see here. Trading hard, the company announces presentation of GLP-1 data from users with diabetic gastroparesis using Gimoti and showed statistically significant improvements. So I guess the company announced presentation of its drug for diabetic gastroparesis and showed improvements, which is good. I guess it's market is receiving that well, and I think it's possible we could see some action on EVOK. I'll keep this one on the side charts. Looks like AMIX is a second leading gapper here, making a move here from 7 now up to 17. So where can this one go? Is this one also a micro float? Yeah, 780,000 shares. Very small. Looks like it's trading higher after the company announced its trial of RF ablation technology, where 100% of its responder group was able to eliminate opioid use and reduce pain sores. So pretty good. We got two solid stocks here with a catalyst that are with the float under 1 million. This thing is, you can already tell it's moving real fast here. In 2 minutes, from 15, moved $4 a share up to 19.46. Yeah, Skull. Yeah, they are getting expensive. Coming back here from $7 here in 2 minutes, from $7 up to 14. That's crazy. That's just the power of these low floats, of these micro floats. Can really rip. And the downside also just as bad, can be just as bad. I mean, here, rejection here from 15 all the way down in 1 minute down to 11, $4 a share. Buy the ask, sell the ask kind of stock. Buy the ask, sell the ask. So yeah, it looks like was there news over the weekend that they're going to extend after hours in pre-market trading? Pre-market trading is going to start at 1:30 in the morning, and after hours trading is going to end at 11:30 p.m. So 22 hours a day of trading. That is crazy. That is crazy. I wonder if the companies are going to adjust their news release earlier, because a lot of times we'll see companies release news at 4:30 in the morning when pre-market opens. But I wonder if that's going to be, if that does get approved, I wonder if that is going to be changing to 1:30. If companies are going to start dropping news at 1:30 in the morning, that would actually stink. Because then we'd have, huge momentum at like 1:30 in the morning, and then, by the time the market opens, 8 hours later, the stock could be over with. It's going to change the dynamic, yeah. It might change the dynamic. We might have to do a lot more pre-market trading. I definitely will not be waking up at 1:30 in the morning, that's for sure. And after hours trading, yeah, I don't do any after hours trading. I've never done any after hours trading. I don't know if I will start doing after hours trading. I don't know. But yeah, so that seems to be our two leading gappers here: AMIX, EVOK. The third leading gapper is HCTI. HCTI is a little bit cheaper stock, so maybe this one can make a move. Let's take a look at the float. 3 million shares. 3 million shares for a dollar share stock. Pretty good. Healthcare Triangle. Healthcare Triangle Trading Hive Company disclosed in a filing that acquired a business assets and operations relating to cloud and technology domain of Secure Cloud Technologies. So it looks like they put in a filing for an acquisition for the business assets and operations of Secure Cloud Technology Company. So I don't really like those types of catalysts, but who knows? The market is definitely a little bit hotter, so it's possible we could see something on this. We did come up to that psychological resistance at 150, now pulling back to 106. You can take a look at the larger time frames. Yeah, so it looks like it did come up here to, it looks like it came all the way up to 150, so that was so yeah, 150 and $2 will be a good target if this one starts to move. Let's take a look at those other stocks in the daily. AMIX, so curling off the lows, coming up to these pivot areas on the daily chart, these previous levels. Looks like we already broke this level. VOK. Looks like we already broke this one level already as well. 17, man, wow. Is this close to all-time highs? No. Not even close. I mean, I'm sure there's a bunch of reverse splits. The stock price was never this high. It was just probably a bunch of reverse splits that caused the price to look like this. But yeah, we're coming up to some major levels up here. Yeah, so it looks like that line literally perfectly coincides with that. Wow. I think, man, I mean, you could get something like an EVOK, like a retest, break over this level here at 1422, which I'll put a line here, which coincides here with this one as well, so I might as well just extend it. Just to make it kind of look better. So maybe we come up and curl and break this level, maybe retest these highs here. I don't know if we're going to go parabolic. It's possible. And the float is small enough. Similar with AMIX. AMIX, still kind of inching a little higher here. $20. We have that level there at 23.18. Maybe we can curl up and break that 23.18 level. And then the next level there would be 30. At least what I see. There is a level right here we're actually hitting. Let me pull this up. Which is its previous support. So we have support here, came in support here, finally breaking down. Now it's acting as resistance. So maybe we find some resistance right around here, 2020, 2030, 2040, somewhere in that area. If we just break through, then the next level would be 23.18. KK, good morning. What's up? Welcome in. Welcome in. All right, so game plan. I guess AMIX looks the best here for the opening range. Oh, GMM as a stock. GMM, you're not wrong. GMM. Let's take a look. What do we have? News. So Global Mafia Godspeed. I don't really know who that is. The company was invited to NVIDIA Forum, CNCC 2024, to showcase generative AI-powered visual experiences. Interesting catalyst. What's the float on this? 17 million. It's a bit high, a bit higher, but since it's a cheaper stock, it could still give us a good action. It's not bad. I mean, we're curling up. We got some increasing volume here. 600,000. I'm definitely gonna want to see this turn at least 2, 3, 4, 5 million, something like that, for shares. But we're curling up kind of nicely here. One thing this has going for it is that the catalyst has NVIDIA in the catalyst. NVIDIA is like the highest, most valued company on the market, I think, right now. I think it is the highest market cap in the US market. And it's showcasing generative AI-powered visual experiences. So AI, another keyword there. The only thing it doesn't have going for it is that it's just, okay, they got an invite. That's it. They just got an invite. It's nothing like kind of, it's nothing about, a company releasing any sort of, info or any sales or any revenue or anything like that. It's just they just received an invite to NVIDIA Forum. But, I mean, it could move just on that, which it looks like it is. So maybe we see something here on GMM. Wow, that's crazy. Here we go. This thing is just ripped 20 cents in 1 minute. Let's check out the spread here. Nice tight spread there. Pulling back. This could be a good entry here. This could be a good entry. We got about 5 minutes though into the open. So I don't want to be getting stuck in no positions here. Manipulating the keywords. Yeah, pretty much. It's got to hold here or else it's going to look really bad. It has to hold here or else if it comes down, it's going to look nasty. It's got to hold here. If it was the market open, I would be slamming the buy button right here for like 62, 62, 63, somewhere in there, maybe 65. If it comes down more, it's not good. Like, this is way too much. Look at this pullback is way too much. I would have stopped out there. Like, we had this massive candle, and then literally we already gave it back the entire candle. There's the green. There's the green. Okay, maybe a long is there. Maybe there you get long there. There you go. Maybe get long there with a stop at the bottom of the candle. Maybe that's the game plan if I was trading this. All right, so you look for a 50 retracement on dips, green on the tape, critical levels. Yeah, critical levels, I mean, usually on dips, you know, maybe a 50%, 40% retracement. But you know, when it starts to get to like 100% retracement, it's just I usually kind of let it go until I see clear signals like bottoming tail, green on the tape, or you know, a 1 minute candle will make a new high. But yeah, once you know, I would again be stopping out here. You know, if I had bought that bottoming tail, kind of would be stopping out here. It did kind of pop up there for a second though, but I probably wouldn't have been able to get out. That's too quick. All right, so you got 2 minutes left, so I'll probably be watching. I don't know. I'll probably be patient. You know, either AMIX or EVOK, probably for the open, and then maybe we'll see something on, GMM and AMIX at the open, and then maybe we see EVOK just kind of curl up out of nowhere. It's possible. So that's the game plan. Good luck, guys. Follow your rules. And I'll catch you guys later. Peace.